London, the capital of England and the United Kingdom, is one of the most vibrant and culturally rich cities in the world. A global metropolis that blends history, art, fashion, and diverse cultures, London offers visitors a unique and immersive experience. Today we're exploring the best things to do in London, from exploring its historical sites to enjoying modern attractions and everything in between. Explore London's iconic landmarks. London is home to some of the most recognizable landmarks in the world, and visiting these sites is a must for any traveler. The Tower of London. The Tower of London is one of the city's most famous historical landmarks. This historic castle has served as a royal palace, prison, and even a zoo over the centuries. Today, visitors can explore the tower's rich history, including the famous crown jewels, which are still used in royal ceremonies. Tower Bridge. Just a short walk from the Tower of London is Tower Bridge, one of London's most iconic structures. Visitors can walk across the high-level walkways for stunning views of the Thames River and the city skyline. The Tower Bridge exhibition offers insight into the bridge's Victorian engineering and history, with glass floors providing a unique perspective of the river below. Big Ben and the Houses of Parliament. Another of London's most famous sites is Big Ben, the clock tower that forms part of the Houses of Parliament. Although the tower is officially called the Elizabeth Tower, Big Ben refers to the massive bell inside. Visitors can take guided tours of Parliament when it is not in session, learning about the UK's political system and the history of the building itself. Buckingham Palace. The official residence of the British monarch, Buckingham Palace, is one of the most iconic royal buildings in the world. Visitors can watch the changing of the guard ceremony, a traditional spectacle that occurs outside the palace. During the summer months, the staterooms of the palace are open to the public, offering a rare glimpse into the opulence of royal life. Visit London's world-class museums and galleries. London boasts some of the best museums and art galleries in the world, many of which offer free entry. The British Museum. The British Museum is one of the most famous museums globally, and it houses an incredible collection of artifacts from ancient civilizations. Visitors can explore treasures from ancient Egypt, Greece, Rome, and beyond, including the Rosetta Stone, the Elgin marbles, and Egyptian mummies. The Natural History Museum. For those interested in the natural world, the Natural History Museum is a must-visit. The museum's collection includes everything from dinosaur skeletons to specimens collected by Charles Darwin. The impressive Hinsey Hall, featuring a life-size blue whale skeleton, is a striking introduction to the museum. Interactive exhibits make the museum a great option for families, and temporary exhibitions provide ever-changing reasons to return. The National Gallery. Art enthusiasts should not miss the National Gallery, which is located in Trafalgar Square, housing masterpieces by artists such as Leonardo da Vinci, Vincent van Gogh, Rembrandt, and Monet are all on display. Admission to the permanent collection is free, making it an accessible destination for art lovers. London may be a bustling metropolis, but it also has some of the most beautiful parks and gardens, offering visitors a chance to relax and escape the urban environment. Hyde Park, one of London's largest and most famous parks, is a sprawling green space that provides opportunities for picnicking, boating on the Serpentine Lake, or attending events and concerts. The park's Speaker's Corner is known for its tradition of public speaking, where anyone can express their opinions freely. Hyde Park is also home to memorials, statues, and Kensington Palace, the former home of Princess Diana. For nature lovers, a visit to the Royal Botanic Gardens, Kew, is a must. The Temperate House, the largest Victorian glasshouse in the world, is home to rare and endangered plants, while the Treetop Walkway offers a unique perspective from the canopy of the trees. London's West End is synonymous with world-class theatre, and a trip to the city would not be complete without seeing a live performance. The West End is home to a wide range of shows, from long-running musicals like The Phantom of the Opera, Les Miserables, and The Lion King, to more contemporary productions. For those seeking a more intimate or alternative theater experience, the National Theatre on the South Bank and the Donmar Warehouse are great venues offering amazing productions. Shakespeare enthusiasts should not miss a visit to Shakespeare's Globe Theatre, a faithful reconstruction of the open-air playhouse where many of the Bard's plays were originally performed. London's neighborhoods each have their own unique character and are worth exploring to get a sense of the city's diversity. Covent Garden is one of London's most popular areas. The Covent Garden Market is a charming spot for shopping, with independent retailers selling everything from handmade jewelry to artisanal foods. Visitors can also explore the Royal Opera House, one of the world's leading opera and ballet venues. Notting Hill is known for its pastel-colored houses, quirky shops, and the famous Portobello Road Market, one of the world's largest antique markets. The area is particularly lively during the annual Notting Hill Carnival, Europe's biggest street festival, which celebrates Caribbean culture with music, dancing, and vibrant parades. London is a city that has something for every traveler, whether they are drawn to its historical landmarks, world-class museums, vibrant neighborhoods, or rich cultural offerings. From exploring iconic sites like the Tower of London and Big Ben to indulging in the city's diverse food scene and catching a show in the West End, there is no shortage of exciting things to do in London. With its unique blend of the old and the new, London remains one of the world's most dynamic and captivating cities to explore. Remember to like and subscribe for more travel videos. Thank you for watching.